What is up, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Gab Talks. Today we are gonna go through the S99C Android smartwatch with 3G Wi-Fi, and we're gonna take a first look and a basic review of the smartwatch and what it could do. Now, before I begin today, if you guys have not yet already, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel as I'll be coming out with new weekly videos on the latest gadgets, electronics, and smartwatches. And if you guys do want to purchase this smartwatch over a good deal after this video, you guys can use my eBay affiliate link below, which will take you to eBay and trust the sellers, and I will earn a commission off your purchase and no extra cost to you. Now let's begin. This smartwatch is kind of similar to the other premium smartwatches that comes from China, such as the KW99 or KW88, but I do like the exterior of this smartwatch a lot better because it just feels like it's a lot more HD on the smartwatch. The screen is a lot clearer and it's a lot more liquid. Now, for the most part, the other parts of this watch is pretty similar to the KW88. If you guys don't know what that is, you guys can check it out in my channel. And for the most part, it's very similar. Now, what I like to do is when I first get the smartwatch, I like to see what kind of watch faces it comes with. And you can do this by long pressing the home watch face. Now, you can see that it really comes with some pretty cool analog watch faces, which really fits the theme here because this is kind of a fancy watch, and by default it came with mainly analog watch faces, and you have the option to download more here. Now let's put this watch on and see how it looks on us. This watch also comes with a fitness tracker and some speakers on the side, so it could make some noise. But this watch is not waterproof, okay? It's also gesture control, so what that means is you could just simply raise your wrist and the time will come on without having you press any buttons. Now let's navigate to the menu and see what kind of interface this watch comes with. I really like the watch having a clock on the middle so you don't really miss out on the time. And the menu is very clear on what the icons do. You have also a camera here, so we can check that out. Now the camera is going to be on the side here. And it looks pretty clear from the side, really, so that's very nice. Now let's go back. You're going to have your other basic phone functions. You're going to be able to actually connect to your browser after you connect it to Wi-Fi without a SIM card. Now, if you want to go and get a SIM card, that's possible too, I believe. Let's check the back here and see if there's a slot supporting a SIM card. Yes, it does. But if you don't want to buy a SIM card, that's also fine. You just have to connect to Wi-Fi or your phone. I really like this watch because so far, it has been very sensitive, especially when it comes to gesture control. I like the silver details along the side of the watch, too. It really makes it noticeable. And it's one of the few that I've seen that actually has that kind of detail. You're going to have your other basic phone functions. You're going to have your fitness functions, which is a plus. We can actually check the heart rate monitor here and see how accurate it is. I would expect myself to be somewhere in the high 60s or low 70s. So let's see if this is going to be consistent. So it's going to take a few more seconds here before we actually get a reading. It's a little longer than usual, which is not what I like. So this would kind of take me off a little bit. But here you go. We are getting a reading here. So 80, that's a little bit off my expectations. because I expected myself to be in the low 70s at the very highest. But, you know, whenever you get a reading from one of these smartwatches, fitness trackers, you do want to cross-reference it with something that you already rely on before relying on these readings any further. You're going to have your GPS. You're going to have your other functions as well. I know that a lot of people are asking if you buy one of these Android watches, are you going to be able to download more apps from the Google Play Store? And the answer is yes, as you can see here. If you actually are connected to Wi-Fi, which we're not going to do here for time's sake, and you sign in your Google Play Store, you're going to be able to download more apps, so that's not a problem. So this concludes our short video of the S99C smartwatch. This smartwatch goes from anywhere between the $90 to over a little bit $100. So in the range of $100, that would be a deal to me. And for anything higher than maybe 110, you would want to kind of search around and shop around for a deal. But anything within the range of $100, that would be a deal. Now, I have left my affiliate link in the video description below, so if you guys want to do that, and I will earn a small commission, no extra cost to you. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.